Dear students, in today's lecture, we will discuss meaning and objectives of economic planning. First of all, we are going to take up the meaning of economic planning. Thereafter, we will study some of the main objectives of economic planning. Meaning of economic planning. Economic planning is a process under which attempts are made to achieve given targets of the economic development within a specified period of time. In other words, economic planning refers to that method under which a central planning authority, keeping in view the resources of the country, seeks to control economic factors in order to achieve predetermined objectives within a specified time period. Objectives of planning. Now we move on to some of the main objectives which are further divided into three parts: economic objectives, social objectives, political objectives. Economic objectives. Each plan has the various economic objectives such as increase in national income and per capita income. In order to increase output and national income, economic planning aims at developing different sectors of the economy like agriculture, industry, etc. Simultaneously, it seeks to reduce the growth rate of population so that per capita income is increased. Increase in per capita income leads to increase in investment, which will cause the production to increase. This will set in motion the spiral of rising national income. Reduction of inequality in income. Each welfare economy aims at reducing economic disparities. Economic inequalities give rise to class struggle. As a result, an unjust economic system comes into being. Economic growth with social justice is, therefore, an important objective of economic planning. Reduction in regional inequalities. Regional imbalances are sought to be reduced through economic planning. Special attention is paid to the development of backward and underdeveloped regions of the country. Specific facilities are provided for the development of industry and agriculture in these regions. Price stability. Another objective of economic planning is to bring about economic stability. Attempts are made to prevent violent changes in prices and insulate the economy from inflation and deflation. Economic development. One of the main objectives of economic planning in underdeveloped economies is to achieve all-round development of the economy by removing obstacles in the way of economic development. In order to break the vicious circle of poverty prevailing in these countries, it becomes necessary to have balanced growth of the economy. All sectors of the economy, such as agriculture, industry, etc., are sought to be developed. Full employment. Another objective of economic planning is to increase the opportunities of employment. Full utilization of manpower is a desirable and possible target of each country. Every plan seeks to provide employment to maximum number of people. Full utilization of available resources. Chief objective of economic planning is full utilization of country's natural resources. Every country has large number of natural resources. To utilize these resources fully, large financial and human resources are required. Therefore, full and proper use of the available resources is possible by the government through the mechanism of economic planning. Self-sufficiency. Almost all countries of the world are interdependent, but too much dependence on other countries can be detrimental. Therefore, one of the objectives of economic planning is to attain self-sufficiency in economic sector. To that end, increase of production to meet the needs of the country is imperative. Economic planning also aims at achieving favorable balance of payments. Reconstruction. Another significant objective of economic planning is to reconstruct an economy disrupted by natural calamities. Now, we will discuss social objectives. In reality, the objective of planning is the economic, social, and political development of man. Many objectives of planning are, therefore, related to social welfare. Main social objectives of the planning are social security. One of the main objectives of economic planning is to provide social security to the poor and exploited class of the society. To achieve this objective, social insurance and social assistance programs are introduced. Social equality. Economic planning also aims at providing social equality to the people. Because of social equality, every citizen enjoys equal opportunities for his or her development and progress. Establishment of socialistic pattern of society. Economic planning seeks to establish socialistic pattern of society in the country. This society refers to a system based on equality wherein minimum needs of the people are fulfilled and there is no exploitation of man by man. Now we will take up political objectives. Establishment of peace. One of the main objectives of economic planning is establishment of peace. It is now a common belief that poverty in any part of the world constitutes a major threat to the prosperity in other parts of the world. Developed countries are therefore offering large assistance to underdeveloped countries to remove poverty, unemployment, backwardness, etc. Defense. Another aim of economic planning is to strengthen the defense and freedom of the country. Economic planning, development, and defense are treated as supplementary to one another. Economic planning helps in making a country strong economically and self-sufficient in matter of defense. Thank you.